Okay, so we're going to do some wine glasses and crystal. If we had more of this stuff to do, we would not be using a book box, but we don't only have a little bit, and we want to keep it separate. I don't really like mixing the fragile stemware in with anything else. But if we had more, we would use a 3 cube and just use plenty of paper. Got the bunks on the bottom. We're going to do one layer of glasses. Okay, you're going to put it stem side down, top up. Pack it right in there like that. We're only doing one layer of glasses. Again, nice and loose. You can feel it, nice and loose, giving it some cushion. Pack it right in next to the next one. Now this would be a box that you would label fragile and top load, because you cannot stack anything on this box. It has to be at the top of the load and nowhere else. Hope you're all taking notes, because there's going to be a written test at the end of this video. At least that's what Traylon said. This is crystal. One piece at a time. One piece of paper. 2 pieces of paper is unnecessary. It's all going to fit in this box perfectly. And again, it's really helpful when you're packing in any room to not mix things from another room in a box. Like if you're packing a box of miscellaneous stuff in the living room, don't go into the dining room and grab, a lamp or something, because it's just going to confuse the homeowner when they're unpacking their boxes and the boxes label living room and you've got dining room stuff in the living room box. So you're in one room, you stay in that one room, and don't pack anything else from any other room into the box. We have a little bit of room left. It's full, we get 2 glasses left. Everything's packed in there nice and tight. Now we get these little shot glasses. You can roll these up. You can actually put 1 or 2 in each, like so. Roll it up. This way you're not wrapping each individual shot glass. Wrap it up in one more piece of paper. This is something that you can lay on its side, on the top there. So we'll just take the rest of this box and fill it in with packing paper, and we'll pack it up, tape it up, and be all done with that. And don't forget to write fragile top load on a box like this. Lampshades, wine glasses, anything that's extremely light and breakable gets top load written on it, and fragile. That's good.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so this is the dining room wine glass box that we just packed. So wine glasses, crystal, top load. Don't forget to put top load on it, very important. Top load, fragile, top load, fragile. Again, you can't overuse the word fragile because it'll just lose its meaning after a while.